Silver, we start with daily chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for the down move, and we were expected whether the down move can drop up to this level, which is the lowest, I mean the below this, which is around 22 or 21.6. All right. Now, if we move to this is what we have been looking for. Because but beside that, we mentioned maybe the price can drop or reverse. This one become more complex because before we get this down move. By the way, we have been looking for the sell, and this is what we get. We want to see what's the next. There is a continuation or not. Okay, if we refer to forward chart, okay, when the price was in this move, we get this, and now we see the price is correcting here. Now we want to see how this one can form. As we can see, this one turned to a flat. And this one, we see, can we expect the price to break out this low? When we're talking about the low, I mean the breakout of, can price the break 25.8? Okay. And if the break after that, can we expect the continuation, or may the price can reverse to the stop? This one tend to a bigger correction. Okay. Now, we want to see how we can trade it. If we refer to 1 hour chart, what we have here already, we have this move similar to what we have here, and the price drop. The way the price drop is really sharp. We didn't have any trade set up. Now the thing is, if we want to look for sell, if we get any correction, we can sell it similar to what we had here. And what we want, this one, we want to break this low. Okay. And the low will be around, that means if we get any correction here, start to correct, maybe we can look for sell. And with the target is when the price come to 225.8, then we need to start to manage, because we are not sure after the breakout how deep it can go, because this is a correction. If we put into relative of this, we want to price to break and continue. But one thing we need to bear in mind, that the way the price is moving is really sharp. It's drop really sharp. But when we have this kind of the sharp, may the price can correct and reverse. That's why if we want to sell, we need to get the proper pullback for next down move, may similar to what we had here. Okay, one things, if anyone wants to take this trade in terms of the risk and reward, the stop loss will be above here, which is 27.1. Okay, we put the 20 exact will be 27.06. Okay, and the target will be breakout of this. Okay, whether they want to get this trade or not, it depends on them. All right. By the way, again, for sell, if you want to look for sell, short-term sell, we need to get the correction here. Then we see whether we can get the trade set up or not. And if the price break this low, then from there we can make decision whether there is a continuation or not. And right now we cannot look for buy, because the only times we can look for buy if we get a correction here, any sharp move flag, at least similar to what we have here, correction, reversal, some sorry, there was a correcting here, then we see reversal, correction. Okay, by the way, we cannot, we don't have any proper trade setup right now because of this sharp move. That's why we have to wait and see what's the next. We see the correction, then from there we can make a decision whether we should look for sell or not. Okay, because right now we want to see whether this one can break this low to finish this move or not. Okay, anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup, then we just follow the chart. If I see any changes or any trade, I will update things.